Okay, so this example now we're going to look at the interaction between looks, charisma, and strategy. Okay, so we can see here between level 1 versus level 3, there's a significant difference between level 1 versus level 3. Okay, and that's looking at looks and charisma. And then this top half is got to do with the dating strategy and hard to get versus normal. So we can find that there's not a significant difference here between attractive and average and high charisma and a dullard. All right, so you have to know how high charisma and some charisma. All right, so there is a significant difference here. There is a significant difference here, and there's not a significant difference here. So I'm going to go to my graphs, and this might, again, sometimes the graphs are helpful because it gives you some further explanation. So notice in this case, we chose when we did the analysis to do strategy as two separate graphs, and then we looked at the charisma and the looks. So here we've got normal, and we've got a comparison of those with high charisma to some charisma to a dullard. So those people who were normal, attractive dullards were rated lower than those people who were normal, some, and high. All right, then there's a difference here. And then there's a difference. Those who were unattractive were rated high if they had high charisma, and those who were unattractive and were dullard were rated lower. All right, so that's one way to look at it. Hard to get here, all of the people who played hard to get were attractive and had high charisma, some charisma, and a dullard were all rated high. Those who were average looking and a dullard were rated low compared to those who had high charisma and some charisma. And then here there's, again, some difference between those who were unattractive and a dullard, some charisma, and high charisma. So that is looking at your graphs and your different strategies between your interaction of strategy, looks, and charisma.